Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. When a good friend of mine got pregnant and was going to have a baby, I wanted to be able to get her a special gift, something that had meaning. So something I always remembered was this story about corduroy whenever I was little and I was growing up. So I found this book. What's so great is it's a hardcover book and it's got really thick pages on it. So this book is going to last a really long time. And it's also a little bit more advanced so that when the kids and the children grow, it's going to be something that they'll be able to learn how to read and enjoy reading. It's really nicely illustrated. It's a story about a little bear who wants to get adopted but has never been able to find a home. And this little girl falls in love with him. And then finally at the very end, she comes, saves up her money, and comes and buys him and takes him home. And then he's able to have a very own home of his own and his own little bed too. So this is just a cute little story for a special little one in your life. If you want something that's going to have meaning and be able to use for a long, long time, I highly recommend this. And that is just my point of view.